Welcome back everyone. I hope you are doing well. If you are new on my YouTube channel NFT Insider, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Today we are going to talk about new token project. Its name is Woob token. This video is only for education purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. So guys, let's start our video. You can check here official website interface Woob token. Welcome to Woob, one dog, one squirrel, endless adventures. Travel through history, explore the world, chase impossible dreams, always honest, always loyal, always Woob. And next we discuss how can we buy the Woob token. So you guys, you can click here buy Woob and see this page is open now. So you can buy the Woob token on that screen. You can see here the price chart. Woob is slow now. You can see here price in up and down. So you can start the trading now. And as you can see here the price with USD total equity amount $11K dollar, market cap $55K dollar, buy 55, sales 9, total volume $2.7K dollar, buy volume is $945, sale volume is $1.7K dollar, total traders, buyers 5, sellers 6. So you can scroll down and check here guys. If you want to buy it now, then you can click here and enter here your Solana amount. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. So you can click here and connect wallet, Phantom, Solflare or MetaMask. Then you can enter your Solana amount. Then you can buy the Woob token now. If you want to sell, then you can click here and enter here your Woob token amount. Then you can sell the Woob token now, and you can scroll down and check here the further details. You can see here the top traders, the transaction history. You can see here now. And next we can back to the official website and see these further details. So you can scroll down and check here the contract address. So you can copy the contract address. This is the Solana project, community fast, squirrel approved. You can scroll down and check here the chase begins. Every journey starts with one step and one squirrel. That's always one tree ahead. So you can see here the picture of Woob token, loyal, kind, and Woob. You can scroll down and check here the story. The adventure of Woob, it all began with a single encounter, one dog, one squirrel, endless adventures from a stolen treat to moon landings, keynote stages, and deep sea treasure. Woob follow curiosity wherever it leads. So you can see here the chapter 1, the first encounter. A mischievous little squirrel stole Woob's favorite treat and accidentally unlocked a lifetime of adventure. Chapter 2, Not Out of Anger. Woob nears chase out of hatred. Every sprint is curiosity. Every detour is a door away. Chapter 3, Always One Tree Ahead. Just one Woob thinks he has finally caught up. The squirrel leads him to his next great adventure. So you can see this is the 3 chapters of Woob token. You can scroll down and check here. Always Woob, loyal, kind Woob. You can see here loyal through every chase, every detour, and every new horizon. Woob never was alone, kind. The squirrel may be mischievous, but the journey is always driven by curiosity, not anger. Woob, honest and heart, brave in a spirit, ready for the next impossible dream. And as you can scroll down and check here the adventures, endless adventures, travel through history, from the moon to the library, from deep space to the keynote stage. Every chase unlocks a new world. So you can see here the some picture. You can see adventure 1 to the moon, adventure 2 deep space, adventure 3 future city. You can see here the adventure 4 with the instant. You can see here the adventure 5 super Woob, adventure 6 the keynote, adventure 7 under the sea, adventure 8 the story begins. So you can see here this is the adventures of Woob token. You can scroll down and check here the token detail. How to join the chase. Step 1, get a wallet. Install Phantom or your favorite Solana wallet and fund it with Sol. Step 2, swap for Woob. Open Dex Cleaner or your DEX of choice and swap Sol for Woob. Step 3, join the chase. Hold, share and follow the adventures on X, Telegram and its Instagram. So you can see here now how to join the chase, and you can scroll down and check your contract address. You can copy the contract address. You can open in Phantom. You can view the chart on desk and we'll discuss this. So you can scroll down and check here the roadmap. The next great adventure. Phase 1, the first chase token launch on Solana. Community engineers the squirrel token. Squirrel token takes the first leap. Phase 2, world tour. Marketing push, listing partnerships. Woob travels through history and hype. Phase 3, story drops. Animated adventures merge and cinematic content from the library to the moon. Phase 4, endless adventures. IRL activations, global community events, and the next chapter, no one's are coming. You can scroll down and check here the community. So you can join the adventure, follow on Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. The squirrel moves far, don't fall behind. So you can see adventure, loyal, kind. You can see here. So you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Woo token official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. So you can see here now. So you can click then continue to X. So you can see here Woo token. Every great story begins with one curious dog and one clever squirrel. Welcome to the world of Woo. So you can see official website link, contact us. You can see here all posts about this project Woo token. So you can see here all details about this project. So you can watch your friend to follow this Twitter page and retweet it now and like and comment and retweet this post. And next you can back to the official website. You get ready for your next adventure. Every journey begins with one step and one squirrel. That's always one tree ahead. Grab Woo and join the chase. So you can see here now. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.